In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace the inner driver's side rear door handle. The same procedure will apply to the passenger side of this Ford F-150. Let's get started. Let's remove the door panel so we can gain access to the inside of the door. I like to start at the door handle. There's going to be a cover here that you can grab with a pick. That's going to be the easiest tool to use. If not, you can get a pocket screwdriver in here. Basically, you just have to pop it off. There we go. That came off. It's a little tight in here. Pull it away, and then you'll see an 8mm bolt right there. Remove it. Let's remove the window switch. You can use a trim tool or that same pick. Go underneath it and just pry up. Sometimes a pick can get in there a little bit better if a trim tool can't. There we go. Once you take it out, flip it over and unplug it. On the side of the door right here, you'll have this trim piece that we have to remove so we can slide the door panel up. All you have to do for this is just pull it straight out. This actually exposes a bolt right here, which we'll have to remove. This is a 6mm headed screw. Underneath the door panel, you'll see two cutouts, and that's for two more 6mm headed screws. Remove both of those. To remove this door panel now, all you have to do is lift it straight up. It unlocks and you can pull it away, but don't go too far because there's still things attached on the back side. Right here you'll see the door handle cable. To get this out, you need either a little screwdriver or a pick, and I'll show you in a second once I get it out, but there are two tabs that you need to pry in and pull out at the same time. Okay, there we go. So on the back side, you'll see these two tabs. If you just squeeze those in, it'll unlock. Just make sure you pull out at the same time, and then pop it right out of the door handle, just like this. And now with this removed, we can gain access to the two tabs that you have to press to remove this door handle. Press it through, and there it is. Grab your new door handle and line it up with the door panel from the front side. Stick it in like with the tabs towards this hook and press it in. It should lock in place. It should not want to fall out easily. And there you have it. Door handle installed. Let's get the door panel on. Now let's put the door panel back on. Grab the door handle cable, and you're going to want to hook it into the door handle here with the ball end of it like this. Then slide it over and push it through. It should lock into place. As you put the door panel on, make sure that this lock indicator goes through the hole in the door panel. Line it up with the tabs. Make sure the lock indicator goes through. If it doesn't, try your best to guide it. It's not always easy. Make sure the wire for the window switch goes through. Okay. It should be flush up against the door all around. If you feel that there's a gap, that means one of the hooks didn't seat into the door right, so you have to pull it back out and reseat it. Put this screw back in, and the two underneath. This side piece slides over, and then you can tap it in place. Plug in your window switch, make sure that clicks, and latch it back down. And in the door handle hole, put the 8mm bolt back. Nice and snug. And to hide it, put back this cap, or the cover, I guess. Press it in to lock it, and there you go. Door panel is reinstalled.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.